Hello everyone, this video is about creating auto activity from the lead. The functionality of this module is it will automatically create activity in Odoo based on leads, and it will help users to stay organized by scheduling follow-ups or tasks related to leads without manual effort. So let's see how it works. First of all, we go into the CRM, and in CRM we go into the configuration settings. Under settings we have lead activity. We will assign the activity person. I already assigned, which is Mitchell admin. Then we have activity type. So we have different types of activity: email, calling, meeting, and many others. I am using the calling activity over here, and here you can assign the due date. I have taken the 2 days. So we'll save this. After saving this, we go into the again into dashboard. We go into the website and we click on the contact us. Here I will assign the username. Suppose I give Artham. Here I give the phone number, and here is the email address and company name. Then we will give the subject inquiry, and we will directly click on the submit. And here we see the message: thank you, your message has been sent. Now we go into the dashboard, and we go into the CRM. We remove the filter of my pipeline, and here you can see the activity like which we scheduled is we can see over here schedule call, and here you can see the lead is created and the activity is automatically scheduled, which is call. You can see like we go into the info button, and here you can see activity type is call. It is created on the 1st Jan 27 and assigned to Mitchell admin, and here is the due date, which is 2 days after the today, so 29. So this is all about this module. If you have any query regarding this module, please let us know in the comment section, and we will get back to you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.